You know how when you get an Amber Alert, you just ignore it? Well, one time, I got an Amber Alert for a stolen orange Honda in the city I was in. And when I read this notification, I was just sitting in my car in a random parking lot. But then all of a sudden, I look up from my phone, and what do I see? An orange Honda. So I'm thinking to myself, oh my gosh, I just found the person they set an Amber Alert out for. I'm about to get a key to the city for solving this crime. But no one was in the car, so my plan was to sit and wait until I saw someone get into it and then confront them. Now that I think about it, that was a dumb plan, but that's all I had. So after a couple minutes of waiting, I saw a young woman get into the car. I'm thinking, I definitely didn't expect the car burglar to be a young lady, but I don't stereotype criminals, so I go up to her and I say, excuse me, is this your car? And she's just like, yeah. I'm thinking, this girl's good. She's trying to act all casual to make me think she's innocent, but you can't fool me. So I go, I know you stole this car. And she just laughs. So I say, I'm not joking. I have the Amber Alert right here. And I show it to her, but then she laughs even more. So I say, why are you laughing? And she goes,